200.7 Use of insulation of a white or gray color, or with 3 continuous white or gray stripes. A. General. The following shall be used only for the grounded circuit conductor, unless otherwise permitted in 200.7 B and C. 1 VA conductor with continuous white or gray covering. 2. A conductor with 3 continuous white or gray stripes on other than green insulation. 3. BA marking of white or gray color at the termination. B circuits of less than 50 volts. A conductor with white or gray color insulation, or 3 continuous white stripes, or having a marking of white or gray at the termination for circuits of less than 50 volts shall be required to be grounded only in accordance with 250.20 A. C. Circuits of 50 volts or more. The use of insulation that is white or gray, or that has 3 continuous white or gray stripes for other than a grounded conductor for circuits of 50 volts or more, shall be permitted only as in the following. 1. If part of a cable assembly that has the insulation permanently re-identified to indicate its use as an ungrounded conductor by marking tape, painting, or other effective means at its termination, and at each location where the conductor is visible and accessible. Identification shall encircle the insulation and shall be a color other than white, gray, or green. If used for single pole, 3-way or 4-way switch loops, the re-identified conductor with white or gray insulation, or 3 continuous white or gray stripes, shall be used only for the supply to the switch, but not as a return conductor from the switch to the outlet. 2. A flexible cord having 1 conductor identified by a white or gray outer finish or 3 continuous white or gray stripes, or by any other means in accordance with 400.22, that is used for connecting an appliance or equipment in accordance with 400.10. This shall apply to flexible cords connected to outlets whether or not the outlet is supplied by a circuit that has a grounded conductor. Informational note: the color gray may have been used in the past as an ungrounded conductor. Care should be taken when working on existing systems.